Today I'll be breaking down about what is the difference between machine learning and deep learning, and we will start that video right now. Hey, how are you guys doing? My name is Taj Mittal from Learning Cubs from Sri Lanka to amplify your influence on online education. So make sure you click that subscribe button before heading to the video. So first we must know about machine learning. Itself operates analytical model building, and it is also a method of data evaluation. It is a part of AI or artificial intelligence, evolved on the fact that with a less interruption of humans, systems could learn stuff from data, identifying passwords, and make decisions with less interruption from humans.
What?
These are mostly used in search engines, apps on phones like voice recognition, to find out unusual transactions in banks.
Yeah, boy.
And many more. Top recommendations for programming language in machine language are like Python, C++, JavaScript, etc.
Nice.
Number 2 is deep learning. It is a part of machine language and is a branch of artificial intelligence. Deep learning emulates the way we gain any sort or some sort of a knowledge. Data science is a very important part in deep learning.
Wait a minute! Who are you?
Because it has stuff like prediction modeling, statistics, etc.
Oh, hi.
Examples for deep learning, like automated researchers like to on and put the correct lights in traffic lights on roads and find pedestrians, money laundering in virtual assistants, and so on. There are a lot, but these are just 4 examples you can give. So thank you for watching this video and enjoy these videos on the screen as well. And I will see you in the next one.